To begin with, select any SAW wavetable. And make sure to enable double-click typable value under Global tab of your Serum. Next, start shaping envelope 2 with a tack of 15. Decay to about 390. Sustain to 0%. Next, route envelope 2 to the filter cutoff and set the filter to low 24. Also add drive and some resonance. Next, enable noise and select bright noise. Route envelope 2 to the level of noise and set it to about 25%. Add some dimension and reduce the size. Next, add some distortion with default settings and increase its drive to about 50%. And last but not the least, add a multiband compressor and increase the gain. Valhalla room for a verb. Fruity balance for controlling the volume. And an EQ to cut out the lows.